Premier Elite keypads have their own functions and features, independent of the control panel. Each keypad can have its own unique settings applied. Press the menu and yes keys together to display the keypad information. The upper left-hand side of the display shows the keypad firmware version. The upper right-hand side of the display shows the address of the keypad on the network. The lower left-hand side of the display shows the wiring type programmed for the keypad zones. The lower right-hand side of the display shows special characters loaded on the keypad. Press yes to access the backlight normal menu. This is the brightness level of the keypad when the keypad is not being used. Press yes to access the backlight active menu. This is the brightness level of the keypad when the keypad is being used. Press yes to access the speaker volume menu. Press yes to access the key press sounds menu. Press yes to access the locking allowed menu. This allows child lock to be enabled or disabled on the keypad. Press yes to access the power save mode menu. When enabled, in the event of a power failure, the backlight on the keypad will be set to off to conserve power. Press menu to return to day mode.